night, good night, good night. This is the type of weather we drive in sometimes. I am just heading to the nightclub where I'm gonna be doing tonight. I haven't done this for a while, but from the last couple of weeks I've been doing the nightclub because I just been driving during the days up, and I do long hours during the days, so I had kind of give this up, the security work, for a minute, but now I'm getting back into it at full-fledged. So I'm on my way to go get on duty at the minute. So it's been raining from yesterday. As a matter of fact, from last about a week and a half, 2 weeks now, it's been raining like every day or every night. So it's been raining all day and all night today. And when I was going home last night, it was raining. So it rained all night yesterday, all day today. And I don't know if it's gonna last all night tonight, but it is on the go. And it is flowing. So it is what it is. But I just want y'all to know, if I don't do it, somebody's got to do it. Let's hope for the best. It's like they say, it's only 1 out of 100 win the lottery, or the lotto, or the Euro Million. So until that day comes, you got to keep working. Bills got to be paid, kids got to look after. I want to thank everyone. And make sure y'all share. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all give me a thumbs up. And everyone to support each other. Forget about all the negative things. Look positive. It's coming up to 2020. And it's coming up very fast. It's like a car. You're driving somewhere. So that's how the months are running off. The days are going fast. The weeks are going fast. Times have changed. Everything different. So big up to everyone and bless up to everyone. Much love and respect. Thank y'all who subscribe, who like, who thumbs up, who give their honest opinion. Thank y'all. And the weather is getting worse as it goes. And as y'all can see and hear. Blessings. I'm out.